A toast to understanding. Toast to the couple, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in celebrations, especially weddings: toast to the couple. Whether you're attending an English-speaking wedding or just curious about this tradition, you're in the right place to learn all about it. Let's explore the meaning, origins, and how to use this phrase properly in context. So, grab your favorite drink, and let's get started. Toast to the couple is a phrase that signifies the act of raising a glass filled with a drink, usually alcoholic, in honor of a married couple during a celebration. It's a way to express good wishes, happiness, and future success to the newlyweds. The toast part refers to the act of acknowledging someone or something with a drink, while to the couple specifies who the toast is for, the bride and groom, or partners, in a wedding. The tradition of toasting dates back to ancient times and has been a part of various cultures around the world. Originally, it was a gesture of goodwill, where the host would take the first sip of a drink to assure guests that it was not poisoned. Over time, the act evolved into a symbol of honor and celebration. When we say, toast to the couple, we're participating in a centuries-old tradition that celebrates love, life, and community. Making a toast to the couple involves a few simple steps. 1. Wait for the right moment. Toasts are usually made during the reception or party following the wedding ceremony. It's typically after the meal, when everyone is gathered and attentive. 2. Stand up. Standing is a sign of respect when making a toast. It signals to others to pay attention. 3. Raise your glass. Hold your drink in your hand and lift it slightly. This is the universal sign that you're about to make a toast. 4. Speak clearly and from the heart. Begin by addressing the couple and the guests. Keep your message brief but heartfelt, focusing on your good wishes for the couple's future. 5. Conclude with, to the couple. Finish your toast by inviting everyone to join in the toast, saying, to the couple, as you raise your glass higher. Everyone will repeat the phrase and take a sip in unison. Toast to the couple is more than just a phrase. It's a cherished tradition that brings people together to celebrate love and new beginnings. Whether you're attending a wedding or any celebration involving a loving partnership, knowing how to properly engage in this tradition can make the moment even more special. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful significance behind toasting to the couple. Thank you for joining us, and here's to love and happiness in all your celebrations.